Good morning, trader. Long put Condor strategy in crypto options today. Trading in USA 2026. Master the four-leg neutral play and top 5 crypto companies growing through acquisitions and government support. Introduction. Good morning, traders and crypto warriors. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving deep into one of the most powerful, calculated and understood option strategy in crypto trading, the long put Condor. And on top of the chart that we will reveal the top 5 crypto companies this week that have strong fundamentals, government backing, and aggressive acquisitions, all working together to generate explosive profits. So stay till the end. This one is a gold mine. Let's go. Section 1. What is the long put Condor? The long put Condor is a directionally neutral options trading strategy that uses 4 put options with the same underlying assets and expiration date at consequently higher strike prices. It works best when you expect the underlying asset to trade with low volatility until expiration. That way you achieve maximum profit. Think of it like this: you are not betting the crypto prices goes up or down. You are betting is stays stable within a range in the crypto world. This is brilliant during sideways market phases. Section 2. How to build it. The 4 legs. A long put Condor consists of 4 different put options of the same expiration. Leg 1, buy 1 out of the money, that means OTM, put at the lowest strike price. Leg 2, sell 1 OTM, put at the middle low strike price. Third one is sell 1 in the money ITM, in the money, put at the middle high strike price. Leg 4, buy a deeper 1 ITM, put at the highest strike price. Real crypto example: Bitcoin options on Deribit or Coinbase. 4 leg. One lowest strike price, that is OTM, buy, and sell OTM, one buy $75,000 put, lowest OTM. 2, sell 80,000 put, middle OTM. Third, sell $85,000 put, middle ITM. Fourth, buy $90,000 put, highest ITM. If Bitcoin stays between 80,000 and 85,000 at expiration, you hit maximum profit. Section 3, profit or loss and break evens 6 to 9. Maximum profit equal strike D minus strike C minus the net debit paid. You achieved this if the crypto price stays anywhere between strike B and strike C at expiration. Maximum loss equal the net premium debit paid to enter the trade. This occurs If the price moves for outside the range, there are two break-even points. Downside break-even equal lower long put strike plus premium paid. Upside break-even equal higher long put strike minus premium paid. Key advantage: like all spreads, the long put Condor offers well-defined risk, lower cost than other neutral strategy, and works well during low volatility market condition. It also tend to achieve a better risk reward profit profile than short iron Condors. Key risk: the strategy is very sensitive to theta, that means time decay. If the price moves beyond the short strikes, and its four legs can result in higher transactions cost. Section 4: when to use it in crypto. As a rule of thumb, consider running this strategy approximately 30 to 45 days from expiration to take advantage of accelerating time decay as the date approaches. This strategy works when you are anticipating minimal movement in the crypto assets within a specific time frame. Best crypto scenarios for long put Condor, Bitcoin or Ethereum consolidating in a range after a big rally. Low implied volatility environment before scheduled in economic events where you expect limited movement. Post halving stabilization faces, all other things being equal, on increases in implied volatility when the underlying is between the two short strikes would have a negative impact on the strategy. So enter when fourth is already elevated, the expected to fall. Section 5: top 5 crypto companies this week. Strong fundamentals plus government support plus acquisitions. 1. Coinbase, the institutional powerhouse. Fundamentals: Coinbase is the most regulated publicity listed crypto exchange in the USA with institutionally great infrastructure and a diversified revenue model across trading, staking, custody, and subscriptions. Government support following regularity shift the SEC withdraw enforcement actions, approach staking, enabled ETF products, and streamlined crypto ETF listing standards. All major tailwinds and Coinbase business model acquisitions. Coinbase led the industry with 8 acquisitions, including the landmark $2.9 billion acquisitions of Derbit institutional grade crypto options exchange and Echo for $375 billion to democratize private market fundraising. How it grows profit: adding options trading capabilities through Derbit opens massive new institutional revenue streams. Coinbase become a full stake crypto financial institutions. Second, company is Ripple XRP, the vertical integration king. Fundamentals: Ripple has long standing partnership with global banks and payment corridors, generating real transactions revenue from its XRP ledger network. Government support: the US government is likely to continue supporting the global export to dollar-backed stablecoins, which directly benefits Ripple's cross-border payment infrastructures. Acquisitions: Ripple is the clearest example of full stack strategy, having acquired 7 startups in the past 2 years, including Hidden Roads, $1.25 billion for prime brokerage, G Treasury, $1 billion for treasury software, and Rail, $200 million for stablecoin capabilities. How it grows profit? Ripple is assembling a vertically integrated global financial platform. Every acquisition directly expands revenue, client base, and institutional utility. Third company is Kraken, the IPO ready giant. Fundamental: Kraken is a long-standing, highly liquid crypto exchange with a reported valuation around $20 billion, anticipated to pursue on IPO in the first half 2026, highlighting its substantial growth as a fundamental liquidity provider. Government support Kraken as proactively sought banking charters and compliance with US regulatory frameworks, positioning it as a trusted institutional partner. Acquisition: Kraken purchased a retail brokerage, Ninja Trader, for $1.5 billion, extending its reach into futures and retail trading markets, and acquired Breakout to expand into prop trading. How it grows profit? Kraken's IPO will unlock an enormous capital for further expansion. Ninja Trader gives it millions of new retail traders and diversified revenue beyond crypto native users. Fourth, Circle, USDC issuer, the stablecoin standard fundamentals. Circle issues USDC, the world's second largest stablecoin and the prepared stablecoin for institutional transactions, DEFI protocols, and cross-border payments. Government support: Congress passed the Genius Act, establishing the first comprehensive federal stablecoin framework with reserve requirements, redemption mechanism, and disclosure standards, directly legitimating Circle's core business. Acquisitions and growth: Circle completed a successful public listed as part of the wave of crypto native firms going public, established valuation benchmark for the entire stablecoin sector. How it grows profit? Every dollar of USDC in circulation generates yield on reserves for Circle as stablecoin adoption grows. Globally, Fidelity predicts more and more countries will integrate dollar-backed stablecoin, directly expanding Circle's revenue base exponentially. Fifth strategy, formerly MicroStrategy, that means MSRT company, the Bitcoin Treasury champion. Fundamentals: strategy holds the world's largest corporate Bitcoin treasury, making it a direct leveraged play on Bitcoin's price appreciation with institutional credibility. Government support strategy: CEO Fong Li has predicted that bank adoption and nation-state Bitcoin adoption will increase in 2026, with more countries buying Bitcoin, a macro tailwind that directly inflates the value of strategy's treasury. Growth strategy: Bitcoin benefits from a singular, widely understood thesis, digital gold, and increasingly from mechanical demand driven by sovereign governments, ETFs, and corporate treasuries. Strategy sets at the center of this institutionally demand curve. How it growth profits as Bitcoin reaches new high driven by ETFs inflows and sovereign adoption strategies. Massive BTC holding generated unrealized and realized gains fueling its equity, price and borrowing capacity to acquire even more Bitcoin. Section 6. Combining the strategy. How do you use the long put Condor on these companies? When any of these five stocks are in a sideways consolidation phase, say Coinbase is trading between $240 to $270, you structures a long put Condor using coin options by $220 to $220 by put, sell $240 put, sell $270 put by $290 put. If coin stays between $240 to $270, at expiration maximum profit captured. This strategy is perfectly designed for these fundamentally strong stocks during low volatility accumulation phases. Outro. Alright traders, now you have the complete picture. The long put Condor is one of the smartest, most capital efficient ways to profit from market stability in crypto, and with companies like Coinbase, Ripple, Kraken, Circle and Strategy all growing through real acquisitions and genuine government backing. The future of crypto in the USA has never been brighter. If this video added value to your trading journey, like, share and subscribe. Drop your questions in the comments. Read every single one. Until next time, stay smart, stay disciplined, and God bless your portfolio. Disclaimer: this content is for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Options trading involves significant risk. Please consult a SEBI FINRA registered advisor before investing. Please like, share, subscribe and comment. Another video is there, that is 2 minutes video. What is that? You will find out. I will think you will find out what is that.
The long put Condor strategy is a sophisticated approach used in cryptocurrency options trading within the United States. It involves purchasing and selling 4 put options with the same expiration date, but at different strike prices, creating a defined range. This strategy is designed for traders who anticipate that the price of a cryptocurrency will remain relatively stable within a certain range until the options expire. By carefully structuring these positions, traders can potentially profit if the asset's price stays between the middle strike prices at expiration. The main advantage of the long put Condor is its ability to limit both risk and reward, making it appealing for those seeking controlled exposure in uncertain markets. Kraken, a leading US-based cryptocurrency exchange, recently expanded its reach by acquiring NinjaTrader and launching tokenized equities trading, doubling its revenue to $1.5 billion in 2024. World Liberty Financial, founded by the Trump family, has demonstrated strong fundamentals through the launch of a dollar-pegged stablecoin and a pursuit of a U.S. banking license, with profits reaching $1 billion from token sales. Circle Internet Group, known for issuing the USDC stablecoin, strengthened its position with strategic acquisitions like Hashnote and Interop Labs, reporting a net income of $156 million in 2024. Tether, despite facing regulatory scrutiny, posted a record profit of $13 billion and invested heavily in new ventures. Coinbase, another major exchange, continued its growth with the acquisition of Deribit and reported a net income of $2.58 billion, underscoring the dynamic and profitable nature of these industry leaders. Shri Paraabhava Namagari marks the beginning of a new
Today, I am entering the affiliated programs hand-picked excellence just for you. Discover our exclusive collection at www.noblestore.shop. We have partnered with Amazon to bring you to top tier products with the convenience and speed you trust. When you shop through our curated links, you support our work through a small commission from Amazon at no extra cost to you. It is a simple way to shop smart while supporting our community. Quality meets convenience. Click below to explore your next favorite find. Shop our Amazon favorite. This is another one. Creators, only creators. Google has subscribe plus grow your channel. And this is mine. Please like, share, subscribe and comment. We will meet next video. Thank you, my dear friends.